Hello guys, above is an architectural feature. It is called a pergola. A pergola is an outdoor structure with a roof of cross beams and also with rafters supported by posts and columns. So it is used to give a partial shade here in the walkway of elevated landscape promenade. So ito yung features na ginamit dito. Actually, itong pergola na to is also used na magbigay ng shade dito sa walkway na to. And pwede rin siyang kapitan ng mga vines. So pwede tayong magpa-climb ng mga vines, kagaya nitong vines na to. So ito, pagka lumago, aakyat siya dito sa poste na to, papunta dito sa pergola. So yan ang purpose ng pergola. So ito naman guys, yung another design ng pergola na ginamit dito. So meron itong ganitong klaseng design and also meron ding mga cross beams na kagaya nito. So pag maglalakad ka dito from Quezon Memorial Circle going to Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center, dadaan ka dito sa magandang pergola na to. Alright, and now you know, I'm Architect Jojo, trying to sharing with you what RT knows. Thank you very much and God bless you.